welcome. It's a gorgeous November day here in Minnesota. It's quite unusual. Usually we have snow at this time, I think. I'm super excited. Today I am making a barn door for my rental house. I'm by no means a professional, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. First, I removed the hardware from this door that I thrifted for only 20 buckaroonies. Then my loving parents helped me rip a 4x8 1/4-inch birch plywood down to 3.5-inch panels that I used to create the Chevron look that I'm going for. I purchased the plywood from Menards for $20. With that plywood, we also ripped smaller pieces for the ends of the door just to help create a more polished look. What I like about this design is that it doesn't require a lot of measuring. Almost everything is cut at a 45-degree angle in order to create the chevron. You can see here that I traced a line so that I could quickly cut and remove the overage. I also use these tiny pieces of wood as a guide to help keep the same distance between each panel. As you can see, I really don't like measuring. With the plywood, we also ripped down a 4-inch panel for the back of my door to cover the exposed door hole. After everything was nailed, I filled the holes with wood filler and then sanded both sides of the door just to prep for painting. And this here is a satisfying shot of my sander in action. For painting, I purchased a Rust-Oleum spray paint in satin black. I liked using spray paint because it made it easier to get in between each panel. I originally purchased 2 cans but ended up needing 3. I totally recommend this paint. I really like the finished product, which you will see very soon. I was looking to buy a gold handle, but then I saw this at Menards. It's silver, but I really like its shape, so I got it anyways and just painted it metallic gold. I'm super happy with its final look. The last part of this process is to install the door rail, and oh my goodness, this took some serious perseverance. I had a hard time finding studs in the wall because I installed this on top of a pre-existing pocket door. But after several hours of staring at the wall, 3 meltdowns, and 47 phone calls to my dad, I finally got it up. It's hanging higher than I wished for, but I'm still super happy with it. Here's the final look. This is such a fun and satisfying project, minus the rails installation, but I'm just going to try and erase that from my memory. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I plan to continue developing my DIY YouTube channel and would love your support. Let me know what you think in the comments and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. There's more to come.